Hey everyone, are you having trouble logging into your Epic Games account? Maybe you're getting an error message or it just keeps sending you back to the login page. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Run and hit Enter. In the Run dialog box, type %local app data %, and hit Enter again. This will open a folder. Scroll down until you see two folders, Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. Select both folders, right-click, and delete them. These are just cache files, so deleting them won't harm anything. They'll be recreated when you reopen the app. If you can't delete them, it's likely because the Epic Games client is running in the background. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete, open Task Manager, and search for Epic. End any processes related to Epic Games, then return to the folder and try deleting the files again. Now, relaunch the Epic Games client and try logging in. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Head to the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Select Uninstall a program, then use the search bar to find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on it and select Repair. This will fix any corrupted files in the client. Once the repair is complete, reopen the app and try logging in again. If you're still having issues, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Run this program as administrator, click Apply and OK, then launch the app again. As a last resort, uninstall the Epic Games Launcher completely. Search for Add or Remove Programs. Locate the launcher. Click the three dots and select Uninstall. Then head to the Epic Games website to download and reinstall the app. That's it. Hopefully, one of these steps solved your login issues. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.